Hi guys, good evening. So today we are going to discuss a Google spreadsheet function of checkboxes and maintaining a attendance register like this. So you see here, there are names of the people and there are dates, and whenever a person is present, you can just tick it off and you will see the total number of attendance will come here, and the total how many days will be here, and the percentage of attendance will come automatically, right? So you see, this is a Google sheet which we will be preparing for this, and you will get this kind of an output, right? So in this today we will learn three functions, right? First of all, in Google Sheet, putting checkboxes is very easy. So you can go to insert and say tick box, right? You can do a copy, and like a normal copy paste, you can do a normal copy paste, right? Whenever you will do a tick, it will automatically, uh, you know, uh, do true or false. So it will give you, you see here it is a false value, here it is a true value, right? Now what we will have to do is we will have to count all the true. So you have to do sum, right? And sum and count, and you will have to do a count here. Rather than using count, you can use another function which we have used here, which will be more useful. In place of count, we can use count if. So sum count if this range, anything in this range, comma, is true. Because look, there are only two values which can come out of these checkboxes, which is true or false. And we will copy this below. And now you see, if I am doing for 2, it is coming 2, it is coming 3, it is coming 4, 5, 6, like that. And automatically percentage is getting updated. Why? Because I have also done a count function, which is count A. So I have to count all the things. Okay. So I can do that by doing count A function, which counts everything, right? We have covered count A function in our Excel also. So you can do that, and then you do a simple percentage here, right? So you can arrive at a percentage sheet, attendance sheet, using the checkboxes. This looks good, and impressive output can be obtained. So we have learned the checkboxes, how to use with sum and countif function, and arrive at a percentage. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.